have 3 products to finish in December to reach my project plan goal of 121 products this year. Let's see how I've done in December. Now, I had to stop all skincare products because I was put on prescription skincare after a skincare product fried my face. It is still very sore, it is peeling a lot, it gets red very quickly. So my derm wants me not to use any skincare products apart from plain hyaluronic acid. She says something like The Ordinary's hyaluronic acid. I'll just put my phone on silent. For the foreseeable future. So the main products that I've used up in December are bath and body products. Let's see what they are. Now, of course, there is one makeup product, my primer, my favorite absolute holy grail primer, Smashbox Photo Finish Super Light. It has been rebranded now. It's called, I think, Smooth and Blur primer from Smashbox. It is fully oil-free. What it does is it is a bit of a, it's not one of those, very silicone primers such as Professional. What it does it softens the face completely while creating a very smooth canvas. I was advised to use this by an esthetician and I haven't looked back ever since. I haven't gone near another primer. I also feel that the finish of my foundation is a lot nicer and it lasts better through the day, with this primer. So that's the first thing. Will I repurchase? I've got 3 actually inside. So hopefully I won't need to buy any in 2022 unless I go out every day, and the possibility of that happening is very, very remote given Omicron, and that sort of thing. So 1 micellar water, simple micellar cleansing water. I will be sticking to Garnier after this, but I wanted to try simple. I feel that this is a bit harsher than Garnier. Garnier is very, very, very gentle. So I prefer Garnier, and I also like, really chunky 400ml, 500ml bottles. This is 200ml. So I won't be repurchasing simple for now. Maybe while traveling or something, the size works. But yeah, traveling isn't going to happen anytime soon either. Right, now we move on to Bath and Body. Sanctuary Spa Body Scrub. This was actually, I swapped a box with someone named Elle, and this is one of the products that she sent me. I really, really liked this. It wasn't a very harsh scrub, body scrub obviously, not face. No one's going to scrub my face anytime soon, it's too sore. It smelled deliciously of oranges, very, very, very citrusy. Will I repurchase? No, because I have too many body scrubs and I want to try a couple of body scrubs from Bath and Body Works as well. Now, body lotion and body wash. Iris Goddess body cream and body wash from Floral Street. Came in the CW box last year. Beautiful, they're perfect to layer. They smell amazing, both of them. And when you sit down or stand up, you get that, irisy, powdery, violety smell. A very milder version of Guerlain Insolence perfume, which is my signature perfume. Think sugared violets, yeah, candy, that sort of smell. This is very mild though. Guerlain Insolence hits you right in the nose, socks you in the nose actually. So will I repurchase? No, I've actually been exploring Bath and Body Works a lot recently. Yeah, I'm going to be, because they're very affordable for me right now. That's very important for me right now. And after that, I'll see. Maybe someday when I want to treat myself to something luxurious, yes. I'd like to repurchase, but yeah, affordability reasons, people. Hand cream, Yumi Aloe Arbors. That is aloe vera and watermelon hand cream. Polish brand, Yumi. Although their aesthetic is Korean based. Yeah, this was sent to me by Maria from Poland for my birthday. Really nice. A mild fragrance, watermelon, not cloying or anything, but comforting, soothing, sends you off to Nodland, Noddyland. And at the same time, it doesn't irritate, which is important for me right now because my skin is terribly, terribly sensitive. Will I repurchase? Now I've got a bazillion hand creams to use up, including Bath and Body Works. Hair care product, Hairy Tail Marquee Co-Wash, also from Poland. All gone. One of the best actually, co-washes, conditioner only washes. I prefer co-washing to shampooing. So generally I make do with the cheapest conditioner that I can't find in the market. But sometimes, it is nice to use a proper dedicated product, that is conditioner only, proper dedicated co-wash product, because I feel it sort of clarifies, removes product residue, and you know, when your hair is a bit on the greasy side, by purely conditioner washing, that is using proper conditioners to wash your hair. If you do that about 4 or 5 times in a row, your hair becomes a tad greasy. And then, you know, stepping in with something like this is really nice. Will I repurchase? I've got 3 dedicated co-washes to use up, and then we'll see, yeah? This is from Hairy Tail Cosmetics, which is a Polish brand run by a Polish YouTuber who has really, really ambrosial looks, you know, extremely thick hair. And I feel that there's more slippage with a dedicated co-washing product than there is with regular conditioner. So yeah, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. That means I have finished up 124 products. No, 125 products this year. That isn't bad at all. You know, I would have finished more if I'd used proper skincare in December instead of, you know, just bath and body products. But, you know, I can't put anything on my skin right now. It is a very, very tricky stage, you know. Peeling is there. If it looks all right, that is because of the Lisa Eldridge Seamless Skin Foundation, people. There's peeling, there's soreness, there's redness. There are a lot of problems with my skin right now. And, you know, there's urticaria flare-ups at the drop of a hat. I actually had a rash on my hand a couple of weeks ago, and now today I have a rash on my stomach. No, believe it or not, my skin's been acting wonky after my 2nd dose of vaccination. So that's the situation. 125 products used up this year. I think next year, that is 2022, I will be aiming for 122 products, because I think 125-ish products is a reasonable goal. And I'm not sure I can use any skincare in January either. Yeah? How have you done in 2021, project plan wise, or product usage wise, shopping your stash wise? Have you attained your goals, or has it been tricky? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. If you are posting your empties on Instagram, feel free to tag me. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.